If OBS Studio is showing a black screen when you try to capture your display or game, there are several things you can check. First, open OBS Studio and look at your sources section. If you're using display capture, make sure the correct display is selected. If you're using game capture, open its properties and make sure the correct game is selected. If the preview is still completely black, try removing the capture source and adding it again. Click the plus icon, select the appropriate capture option, and configure it from the beginning. For laptops with both integrated and dedicated graphics, OBS and the application you want to capture may sometimes be running on different GPUs. Open your Windows graphics settings and make sure OBS Studio is configured appropriately for the type of capture you're using. If you're trying to capture a game, you can also test window capture or display capture instead of game capture. Some games or applications may not work correctly with a particular capture method. Next, make sure OBS Studio has the necessary permissions. Close OBS, reopen it, and if needed, try running it with administrator privileges.